I'm going to show you how to make a shark's Mai Tai. Now, careful, this is a very powerful drink, so make sure you have a place to sleep it off and you don't drive anywhere. All right, we're going to start off with our ice. Pour this into your glass, just like so. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 ounce of light rum and a 1/2 ounce of dark rum. There we go. Any brand will do, so just pick your favorite, just like that. Then we're going to do about 1.5 ounces of sour mix, 1.5. 1 splash of grenadine, like that. And we're going to go ahead and shake this up. All right. We're going to pour this into a rocks glass, just like so. And then we're going to pour 151 proof rum right on top. Now this drink can also be made in the blender, but as you can see, you can shake it up as well. Let that 151 proof rum settle, and then enjoy your Shark's Mai Tai. Cheers.